Help me! Please help me! Mommy is in the water!
Ben, Ella, stay back! I am coming, Sarah. Hold my hand.
Ella, wake up. Wake up now. Mommy! Ella, honey, are you okay? I heard you crying so loudly. Mommy, I had a very bad dream. The water took you away. It was just a dream, my love. I am right. Look at me, I am safe and warm in my bed. But the dream felt so real, Mommy. I was so scared for you. I know, sweetie. But you are safe now. Good morning, my little ones. Today is a happy day. We are going to visit Grandma's house by the river. Yay! I love Grandma's house! I love her garden too. There are so many flowers there. I do not want to go, Mommy. I do not want to go near the river. I had a scary dream about the water last night. Oh, sweetie, it's okay.
We can stay away from the river.
Okay.
Dreams are not real, Ella. They cannot hurt you. The river by Grandma's house is calm and pretty. It is not dangerous at all.
We will always keep you safe, my sweet girl. Daddy and I will hold your hand the whole time. Do you promise, Mommy? I promise, Ella. Now let's get ready.
Okay, everyone, put on your shoes.
I am so excited. Me too, Ben. I want to see Grandma's cat.
Get in the car, kids. Let's go see Grandma. Here is our ride, everyone. Hop in.
I get the window seat. Careful, Ben. One at a time. Is everyone cozy in the back? Yes, Mommy. Look at all the trees out the window. I cannot wait to see Grandma. We are here. Look, Ella, the river is so blue today. It looks very pretty, Mom. I still feel a little scared, Mom. Do not worry, Ella. I will stay close to you the whole time. Ben, stop pushing me! You are so annoying today. I am sorry, Ella. I did not mean to push you. Let's be nice to each other, kids. We are here to have a happy day. Oh no, look at the sky! Big dark clouds are coming very fast!
It is starting to rain very hard now. Everyone, come inside quickly.
The river water is rising fast! Wait! Grandma's cat! Whiskers is still outside near the water. I have to get her!
Ben, no! It is too dangerous, son.
Please, Dad. Whiskers is scared and alone.
Okay, but stay far from the edge, Ben. Take slow steps with me. I am holding your hand the whole time. She's safe now. You are safe, Whiskers.
I have to take her inside, Dad.
Good job, Ben. Now let's go meet Mom and Ella.
Okay, Dad.
We are so proud of you, Ben. But listen carefully, kids. When water is rising fast, we never go near it alone. We always tell an adult first.
I understand, Dad. Water can be very strong and very dangerous. I will remember that.
Now let's go inside and get warm and dry.
Okay, Daddy.
Eat up, my brave children. You all did so well today.
I feel warm now, Grandma.
The rain has stopped now. Look outside, kids. The sun is coming back.
Let's go up to Grandma's balcony and look at the sky, kids. Come on, Ella. Let's go see. Wow, look at the beautiful colors up there, Ella. Is that a rainbow, Dad?
Yes, it is. It is a big, beautiful rainbow.
I want to climb up on the railing for a better view.
Ben, get down right now. That is very dangerous, son.
But I just want to see better, Dad. I cannot see well from here.
Listen to me, Ben. If you climb on the railing, you can fall down. You can fall very far and get badly hurt.
Oh, I did not think about that, Dad. I am sorry. I was not being careful.
It is okay, Ben. You did not know. Just stand holdeth both hands. Just stand behind the railing like this, right next to me. Hold it with both hands.
I understand perfectly now, Dad. I will always stand behind the railing from now on. I will never climb on it again.
Good boy. That is very smart thinking. Now look, everyone. The rainbow has 7 colors. Let's count them together.
1, 2, 3. Red, orange, yellow. 4, 5, 6. Green, blue, purple. 7. Pink. That is 7 colors, Dad.
That's right, Ben.
You're so clever. Wow.
You counted so well, Ben. It is truly a beautiful sight today. I am so happy we came up here together.
Me too, Dad. This is the best rainbow I have ever seen in my whole life.
Let's walk to the market now to buy some fruit for Grandma.
Okay, Mommy. I love the market. Me too. There are so many colors there. Look, Mommy. That old man is carrying a very heavy bag. He looks so tired walking.
What should a kind child do, Ben?
I can help him carry his bag, Mommy. That is a wonderful idea. Here you are, sir. I will carry it to your door. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you again, young man. You have a heart of gold. Your parents must be very proud of you.
Look, Mom, that lady over there dropped her oranges on the ground. Oh no, they are rolling everywhere. I will help her, Mommy. Let me help you, ma'am. Wait for me. I found another one over here. Here are all your oranges, ma'am. I found every single one.
Thank you so much, sweet girl. You are a very good helper.
You are both wonderful children today. I am so proud of you, Ben and Ella. Helping others makes everyone happy, kids. It makes their day much better. It feels really good to help people, Mommy. My heart feels warm and happy inside. That is a beautiful feeling, Ella. Always remember this feeling. When you are kind to others, kindness comes back to you too. Now let's go buy some sweet fruit for Grandma. I want big red apples, and I want yellow bananas.
Let's go find them together, my kind little helpers.
Of course, here you go.
Thank you.
Now let's take the bus back to Grandma's house, kids. We bought so much fruit today. Find a seat, kids.
Okay, Mummy. I want to sing my favorite song very loudly. La 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 la. I love this song so much.
Shh, Ben. Please sing quietly. Other people are resting on the bus. Look at them.
Oh, I am sorry, Mommy. I did not think about the other passengers. I was just so happy.
Excuse me, young man. Could you please be a little quieter? I am trying to sleep.
I am very sorry, sir. I did not mean to bother you. I will sing softly now.
That is much better, Ben.
I understand now, Mommy. Loud noise can disturb people around us. Some people are tired or sleeping.
That is right, Ben. We must always think about others on the bus. Even a small sound can feel very big to someone else.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Good boy. Now let's enjoy the ride quietly together.
I will sing very softly in my heart instead.
That is a wonderful idea, Ben.
Look, Mom, we are almost at Grandma's house now. I can see her garden from here.
I see the flowers too. This has been such a busy and happy day.
Yes, it has, Mommy. I learned so many things today. Me too. I am a little tired now.
Rest your eyes, kids. We will be there very soon. Just a few more minutes on this quiet bus. Here we are! Home sweet home!
We made it!
Hello friends, are you enjoying the story today? Which lesson have you learnt so far?
Tell us in the comments below. Also, do not forget to like this video and click the subscribe button.
We can't wait to hear from you.
Ben, it is very late now. Please turn off the tablet and go to sleep.
Just 5 more minutes, Mommy. Please, please.
No more games, Ben. It is time to rest. Sleep is important for your body. It helps you grow big and strong.
Okay, Mommy. Good night. I will sleep now.
Wake up, Ben! Wake up right now! We are late for the train! Hurry, hurry up!
Oh, I am so tired today, Dad. We played too late last night.
I know, Ben. Next time, we will sleep earlier. Now grab your bags quickly. Let's run across the road quickly. We cannot miss this train.
Run, kids!
Stop, children. Stop right there. The light is red. We must wait.
Okay, Dad. But we are late, Dad. The train will leave without us.
It does not matter, Ben. We always wait for the green light. Safety comes first, before anything else.
You are right, Dad. Waiting a few seconds is much safer than running. It is not worth the danger.
Good thinking, son. A train can wait, but a life cannot. Now look, the light is green. Let's cross together, holding hands. 1, 2, 3. We made it just in time. That was a close call today.
It was, Dad. I promised to sleep early tonight. No more late games for me.
That is a very smart promise, Ben. Good decisions start with good rest. Now let's find our seats on this train and relax for the rest of our trip. We are finally on the train now. Let's sit and rest a little.
Let's eat our sandwiches now, kids.
I am so hungry, Mommy! My hands are a little dirty from touching the table, Mommy.
Just a little dirt on them.
I am too hungry to wash them right now. I just want to eat.
Wait, Ben. Dirty hands can carry germs. You cannot see them, but they are there. Germs can make your tummy hurt very badly.
Oh, I did not know that, Mommy. I thought a little dirt was okay.
It is not safe, sweetie. Germs are very small, but they make you sick. Let's use this water bottle to wash our hands first. Hold out your hands, Ben. Like this, rub your hands together well. Do not forget your fingers too.
Now they are clean, Mommy.
Look, all the dirt is gone.
Good job.
Now you can eat safely and happily.
This sandwich tastes so much better now, Mommy. I feel good eating it.
That is because your hands are clean now, Ben. Clean hands make every meal safer.
Thank you for teaching me, Mommy. I will always wash my hands before I eat.
That makes me very happy to hear, son. Ella, do you want to wash your hands too?
Yes, please, Mommy. I want clean hands like Ben.
Good girl. Now let's all enjoy our lunch together on this train, safe and clean.
Yummy.
Look, everyone, we are off the train now. There is so much trash near the train station, bottles and paper everywhere.
It smells bad here too, Dad. Should we clean it up together?
That is a wonderful idea, Ella. You have such a kind heart. Let's all help clean this place.
I found 3 bottles already, Mommy. Great job, Ben. Put them in this big bin over here.
I found some paper too, Ben.
Good work, Ella. Put it all in this big bin as well. Look, there is more trash over there by the bench. Let's get that too, everyone. We are working so well together today. Teamwork makes this place clean again. Look how much better it looks now.
Yippee! We did a great thing today, Mommy.
Yes, you did, my loves. Good job, kids. I am very proud of both of you.
Keeping our town clean helps everyone breathe better air. It helps plants and animals too.
I feel very proud of us, Mommy. My heart feels happy and warm.
That is a wonderful feeling, Ben. Small actions like this can make a big difference. Even one person picking up trash can help our whole town.
That is a good lesson to remember, Dad. I will always pick up trash when I see it. Me too, Dad. So will I.
That makes me the happiest parent in the whole world. Now let's walk back to the house together, my clean and kind little helpers. We are home now, kids. What a busy day we had. Kids, please change out of your wet shoes and socks. Your feet must be so cold.
I want to keep playing outside a little longer, Dad. Please, just a bit more.
It is important to change into dry clothes now, Ben. Wet clothes are not good for your body.
Okay, Dad. Just one more minute, then I will change. Achoo! My nose feels funny, Mommy. Achoo! Mine too, Mommy. My throat hurts a little.
Oh no, you both have a small cold. You stayed in wet clothes too long yesterday.
I understand now, Mom. Wet clothes can make us sick inside. I am sorry I did not listen.
It's okay, sweetie. And remember, my brave children, all the lessons from our trip. Stay away from rising water and always call an adult first. Never climb on railings.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mommy. We will remember everything you taught us.
Good night, my wonderful children.
Good night, Mommy.
Sweet dreams, my brave little ones. Thank you, friends, for watching. I hope you learned new things today.
Always remember to stay safe, be kind to others, and make smart choices every day. Join us next time for another fun story. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.